This is a review of the fit over sunglasses that I'm going to be doing a review about. And in this review, we are going to show you guys everything that comes inside this package. And we are also going to explain to you guys why these are probably one of the best sunglasses you could get. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so we got everything out of this package, and I do want to say that these sunglasses are absolutely amazing. They're extremely high quality. It feels very nice when you hold it, and not just that, I love how the rectangle shape is as well too. It also looks stylish as well too. But one thing, these, like I told you guys, why these are probably one of the best sunglasses you could get is because of the fact that they are fit over sunglasses. So what that means is that if you wear these sunglasses on top of your prescription glasses, then you could absolutely wear these on top of it. No need to remove your prescription glasses and then wear these on. These go over your prescription glasses, and I have tested this out, and as you could not even see that I'm wearing prescription glasses on top of these glasses, and this is extremely suitable, especially when you are driving, to protect your eyes from the UV sun rays. As you guys know, these sunglasses are UV ray protected as well too, so it will protect your eyes from the sun when you are driving. Not only that, but they're also suitable for cycling and also for jogging or any outdoor activity that you have to do. But not only that, but this comes with a lanyard, and these lanyards are absolutely amazing too. So these lanyards go on top of these glasses located on the back side of it. So if you're doing any outdoor physical activity sports, you're doing cycling, jogging, or anything like that, these would protect your sunglasses from falling down or getting damaged, which that's a huge plus for them to provide you that. Not only that, but you also get this bag as well too, and apart from the bag, you also get these microfiber towels as well too, to pretty much clean up your lens like that whenever it gets any dirt and debris, and it's time to clean. So yeah, I overall am super happy with this product, and I love the fact that it comes with this cool lanyard as well too. So whenever you're doing any running or jogging and you're wanting to wear sunglasses to protect your eyes from the UV sun rays, then you could have this lanyard, and then you don't have to worry about your sunglasses falling down. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this product because because of the fact that it's not only that, but you could also use this while driving and wear your existing prescription glasses on top of your glasses. So that is pretty neat and cool idea. I would definitely recommend this product if you usually wear prescription glasses. Then this product right over here would definitely come into play, especially if you're driving or anything like that. So I would definitely recommend this product.